Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Approach S42 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through this menu by swiping up and down on the screen, find the settings icon, it's gonna be at the bottom, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll through the menu and find the option called the language. And once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the list of languages. We can scroll through and find the language you would like to use. As you can see, there's only a couple of them. So let's find the language we want to use. For example, let's say Deutsch, and once you find it, tap on it, and the language will be applied. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.